1. Boxing, not just for fighting, because boxing builds reflexes, composure under pressure, pain tolerance, and conditioning. When someone is throwing punches at you, you learn to stay calm fast. That calm transfers to real life. Interviews, conflicts, stressful moments. Most people avoid controlled stress. Boxers train inside it. 2. Playing a musical instrument, guitar, piano, violin, drums. Learning an instrument rewires coordination, memory, and patience. It forces repetition, and performing, even casually, builds confidence. Very few adults stick with learning something difficult for years. Musicians do. 3. Cooking from scratch. Not reheating, learning knife skills, making full meals, understanding ingredients. Cooking builds independence and attention to detail. Plus, being able to host and feed people raises your social value instantly. 4. Learning a new language. Not through casual apps only, real speaking practice. Language learning trains memory, listening skills, and cultural awareness. It forces humility. You will sound bad before you improve. Most people quit there, but if you don't, you separate yourself. 5. Chess. Chess trains pattern recognition, strategic thinking, and patience. You learn to think multiple moves ahead. Most people react. Chess players anticipate. That difference shows up in business and life. 6. Photography, manual mode, not auto. Learning lighting, composition, framing. It trains observation. You start seeing details others ignore. Seeing differently changes how you think creatively. 7. Public speaking clubs. Joining something like a local speaking group. Standing up and delivering a speech regularly. Most people fear public speaking more than failure. If you can speak clearly in front of strangers, you instantly move ahead socially and professionally. 8. Building and maintaining a garden. Growing food or plants forces long-term thinking. You water, you wait, you adjust. It teaches delayed gratification. You see effort turn into growth over time. That patience separates you from people who expect instant results. 9. Learning basic car maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations, diagnostics. Understanding how machines work builds mechanical intelligence. You become less dependent. Competence in practical skills quietly builds respect. 10. Long-distance running, not sprints. 5K, 10K, half marathons. Distance running builds mental endurance. You learn to continue when it's uncomfortable. When your legs want to quit but you don't, that discipline spills into work and goals. None of these hobbies are passive. They demand repetition, discomfort, growth. And that's why they separate you, because average people relax in their free time. You can choose to train instead.